if your profession is obstetrics and gynecology. This small video may be your life changer. Based on RCOG and ACOG guidelines, the website is loaded with lectures in basic sciences, obstetrics, and gynecology. With such knowledge, you will offer management with utmost confidence. You will be ready for your next step of certification. You can handle all sorts of exam format. That is not all. Mastering your preferred subspecialty was never easier. For ultrasound subspecialty, Dr. SM prepared workshop lectures, both for the basic user and the advanced specialist. In his lectures, he is backed up with thousands of ultrasound scan clips and images from his own library. 30 years of ultrasound makes a pretty huge and diverse library. I think I have seen in his collection almost every fetal anomaly, every gynecology finding, and best of all, everything is his copyrights. He explains what he had seen, what he diagnosed, and how to reach such a diagnosis. Need to master IVF? Dr. SM has it here as well. From A to Z he guides you through stimulation protocols. Best of all, the practical aspect is well covered. What is exactly written in the prescription? Join him in OT for tips and tricks of egg collection and embryo transfer. Dr. SM even guides you with all the paperwork involved. I think another amazing part is the operations and procedures section. From tips of inserting intrauterine device to the most sophisticated and complicated surgeries. Again, his work, his explanation of every step. Why he did this, why he avoided that. Clear and simple advice all the way. The videos come directly from OT. This section of the website is a true innovation. But the website has more. Just reviewing the gallery section, where Dr. SM stores images from his work, makes up a huge atlas for obstetricians and gynecologists to go through. Again, at your fingertips still to come is another section. That is the encyclopedia for medications and drugs. You can search by the name, generic, or trade, or even the disease or condition itself. Or alternatively you can browse a certain category and subcategory. No more confusion about name or dose of a medicine, side effects, precautions, interactions, and all this stuff that none of us can memorize for the thousands of medications available. Next is the important self-assessment exams section. Tailor up your exam. From a general OBGYN exam, generated if you just leave all menus empty, or tailor it down to just obstetric discipline or gynecology, down to a certain subcategory, and finally by lecture title. Choose the number of questions. Now sit for the exam. Choosing the answers, the system directly shows if it is correct, scoring 1, or wrong, scoring 0. Unfortunately you cannot change your answer. At the end of the exam, you can get your score. Now you know where you stand. Needless to say, just sitting for such an exam is a way of studying. Congratulations. You have already improved. Congratulations for obstetricians and gynecologists that such a website exists. Enjoy it. I only wish that we see the English version of this website soon. Thank you for watching.